Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Pretty big weather update for you today. First things first, we do have another heat advisory. I think by my count that is 5 consecutive days. I think these started on Saturday and now at Wednesday, so no change to the heat advisory. Still expecting your feels like temperatures today about 105 to 109, especially this afternoon, and your temperatures will warm up a little bit quicker this morning, enough so they'll probably hit 90 by about 10 a.m. this morning, but we do have the chance of seeing maybe a few spotty showers and perhaps a thunderstorm or two today, and that chance of rain is going to start going up in the upcoming days, and eventually that's what will break our heat wave. But we will suffer through at least one more day with temperatures in the upper 90s here, pretty close to the numbers we felt yesterday. And there's a look at the heat index. We are showing some locations here over 110 as far as the feels like temperatures today. So again, if you can get out there before 10 a.m., you'll definitely think for yourself for that again a little bit later today. You don't want to be out there this afternoon. Just kind of find a nice air conditioning spot. So there's a change for us. Actually had a little bit of rain just south of the Arklatex this morning, which has just kind of fizzled out. We do have some cloud cover out there south of I-20 as well. And our ridge of high pressure that's been in control here, it is starting to buckle a bit, and it will be moving to the north here, so that is going to set us up with a few interesting possibilities. The first of those, will definitely get some rain back in the upcoming days, but it is going to be kind of slow and steady today. Looks like your highest rain chance will be along and south of I-20, and these will be kind of splash and dash type showers. They'll be around for a few minutes and then roll on through pretty quickly. So the hope that we'll see widespread cool down from the rain today is pretty low. We'll actually stay pretty hot in between some of the locations that do see these showers, but you can see there is another chance of seeing maybe this rain pop up again on Thursday. But Friday and through the weekend, we'll have a little higher chance of rain, and that should cool us into the low to mid 90s. So latest look here out at what is going on in the tropics. National Hurricane Center, high chance of development with our spot here, which is kind of moving off towards the Gulf of Mexico here. So eventually this weekend it will cross the Yucatan and wind up in the Gulf of Mexico. The big three forecast models are talking the US model, the Canadian model, as well as the European model, all showing a pretty strong hurricane developing here and then moving up towards the Texas and Louisiana coastlines. And again, this far out you typically don't get very good model agreement. Not saying this is going to happen, but Futurecast is showing this system in the Gulf early next week and potentially making landfall sometime early next week, whether that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Will just kind of depend on the speed of this thing. But either way, at this point, we just need to put this on our radar that we could have some tropical impacts early next week. Obviously, for the Arklatex, as we saw with the systems last year, these can bring some heavy rain, some power outages, and things of that nature. We're a long ways out, and the model runs will probably change, but as of today, they are telling us that at this point, we need to be aware of what's going on in the tropics early next week, so we will certainly keep bringing you updates on that. In the short term here, at least, we'll see these slight rain chances through Friday. Temperatures will drop off as we get a little more rain and that ridge of high pressure scoots out of here, so we'll be back to near normal with the temperatures. We'll probably see the heat advisories go away Friday and through the weekend, if not in some locations tomorrow, and then a lot of uncertainty with the Monday, Tuesday forecast, just depending on what happens with the system in the Gulf of Mexico.